In today's video, we're going to show you how to get a list of users assigned to an app, either individually or as a group, using the Okta API with the Postman app. But before we start, a quick heads up. This is just an example of using the Postman API client with the Okta API. Remember, these steps might change with updates to Postman, so use this guide at your own risk. Okta doesn't guarantee that these instructions will always be up to date. All right, let's get started. First things first, let's create a token in Okta Admin Dashboard. Head over to Security, then select API. In here, click on Tokens, and then click Create Token. Name your token, copy its value, and keep it safe. You'll need it later. Next, download and install Postman. Once installed, open it up and click on the Environment Quick Look icon. Configuring Postman. Time to set up our environment. Click Add. Name it something like Test. Now, add 2 fields. For the first one, type API key under Variable and paste your Okta API token in the current value. For the second, type URL under Variable and enter the URL of your Okta org. When you have finished with this, hit Save. Then switch over to the new environment we just created. Next up, on the Okta developer page, import the Okta Apps API collection by pressing on Run to Postman. Next, select the environment Postman should run in. Now in Postman, select where to import the app's API collection. Click on Collections, and after that, expand Apps Okta API. Look for List User Assigned to App and click on it. For this API call, we need the app ID. Now, back in Okta Admin Console, go to the application in question. Using the URL, just copy the app ID you find in the URL after instance. Paste the app ID value into the API call. Click Send to execute. You should get a 200 OK response with the data. Save this response as a JSON file. Use any tool you like to convert the JSON file to a CSV format. In the CSV, look at the Scope column. If it says User, it means the user is individually assigned to the app. If it says Group, they're group assigned. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.